Avoid eye contact. There's a psychology, and I can't explain it, but I've experimented with it tons and tons of times, and you can experiment with it too. If you're writing down your notes, sure you have interaction with them, and sure you're making eye contact with them. You're writing down how many beds and how many baths and what's the square footage and the price and all those kinds of things. But when you get down to the critical information about asking them for their phone number or asking them for their email address, if you look up at them, they will become uncomfortable and you'll get a weird response a lot of times. So if you say Jim, and then you go, what's your phone number? That oftentimes there's an awkwardness there, and that oftentimes is an opportunity for them to say, oh, I'd rather not give out my phone number, or I prefer not to communicate that way, or what have you. If you keep your eyes down on your pad of paper and you say, what's your phone number? It's totally non-intimidating, and it just flows with the conversation that you're already having. So they'll say 775, you write it down. Same thing with the email address. What's your email address? Eyes on the pad. You're just listening to them, and you're, again, not having that awkward moment where you're looking up at them and you're giving them pause.